Hello. In this video, we're going to go over how to solve for the dot product. The dot product is going to use two vectors, a vector u, a vector v, and we're going to multiply the x's and the y's together, and we're going to sum them up. That's it. So let's look at our example given here. We have the dot product of vector a and b. Our x value of a is multiplied to the x value of b, and we're going to sum that to the y value of a times the y value of b. Easy. So let's start with number one. Number one, the first thing I'm going to do is write my vector u, which is 3 in the x value, 9 in the y value, which means it goes right 3, up 9. That's our vector. We'll have a vector v. We're going to have 6 and 5, respectively. So when we are looking for the u dot v in this situation, what we have is the vector 3, 9 dot product, the vector 6, 5. And it's very straightforward. All we're going to do is multiply the x's, multiply the y's, and sum them up. 3 times 6 for the x's plus the multiplication of the y's, which is 9 times 5. Let's make that a little neater. 9 times 5. And that's it. All we're going to do is now add them up, and that's it. So we see 3 times 6 is 18. 9 times 5 is 45. We're just going to turn this all into black so it's easier to see. So 3 times 6 is 18, plus 9 times 5 is 45. So we're going to get 63 as our total for our dot product for number one. Easy. Let's do number two. Notice for number two, it's not written in the same form as number one. It's written in IJ form. That's okay. I is for X's, J is for Y's. So you can, if you wanted to, just to rewrite them, U is vector -1, 5, and V is the vector -6, -2. Easy. Now let's find the dot product, U dot V. This is going to equal -1 times -6. And we're going to add that to the y's being multiplied, which is going to be 5 times -2. We see that this is a +6. This is a -10. And we can clearly see that our answer for our dot product for number two is -4. That's it. That is all we do. That is how we find the dot product between two vectors. If there's another value for a z, you will just add those two, the product of the z's, the two difference of the z's, uz and vz, and then we'll add that to the product that we already found for the x's and the y's. So very straightforward, even if we have another component within our vector. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If there's something specific you would like, please send something in the comments or just shoot me an email. Other than that, I hope everyone has a great day.